Sitemap submission to Google and Bing can lead to your pages appearing higher in search results. When you submit your sitemap to Google Search Console, Google will crawl your website more frequently and index your pages more quickly. Hi, I am Khalid. In this video, I am going to show you how to submit a sitemap to Google and Bing search engine. Welcome back to the tutorial on how to submit sitemap to Google and Bing. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you like. For more free tools, tutorials and offers, visit the link below this video. To submit sitemap to Google, at first I need to log into Search Console. I am writing the keyword as Search Console login in the search bar. Now click here so that I can continue sign in to Google Search Console. I need to provide credentials to continue sign-in process. Click on Next. So it is my Google Search Console profile. If you want to know how to set up Search Console for a website, you can check the link below this video. Now I need to select a property, that's website, to analyze with Search Console. Click on the website URL to analyze. In the left side menu, locate sitemap. If I click on sitemap, it provides the facility to add new sitemap. Let me check my website sitemap. Writing website URL /sitemap.xml. This is the XML sitemap index file for my website. I am copying the URL for XML sitemap index file. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Let me check the robots.txt file of my website. Sitemap index file link is available here also. Now I am going to submit this index file link to Search Console. So copy the link and paste it here in the text box. Remove the duplicate website URL. That's make correction. And then submit. Sitemap submission is done and successful. Submitted sitemap index file appears here in the list under Submitted Sitemaps. Now let's go to submit the same sitemap index file to Bing. I am searching for webmaster Bing. Click on Bing Webmaster Tools to continue. Sign in to Bing. Click on Sign In button. You can use your Microsoft, Google or Facebook account to log in to Bing. I am using my Google account, so providing credentials to sign in to Bing. Press Next. If you have verified your website already with Search Console before, by clicking on Import button in the left side, you can import your site through Google Search Console also. I am adding my website to Bing manually. So write my website URL here in the text box and then click on Add button. Adding the website to Bing account. Now I need to verify my website ownership. At first, click on Bing site auth.xml to download the file. Then I need to upload this file into the root directory of my website hosting. This is my website's root directory. Still, I don't have uploaded the file here. So right now, if I click on Verify, let's see what will happen. Click on Verify. Message shows that we are not able to locate the file. Now let's go to upload the downloaded Bing site auth.xml file to the root directory of the website. At first you need to log in to your website hosting cPanel. I already have logged in to my website hosting cPanel. Now click on Upload. Locate downloaded file. Drag and drop it into the root directory. Fine. Upload is completed. Let me go back to my Bing account and click on Verify or try again. Congratulations, site addition successful. So my domain is successfully added to Bing Webmaster Tools. Click on Done. Now I need to submit my website sitemap to Bing. To add sitemap, locate sitemap in the left side menu. Click on Submit Sitemap button here in the right top side of the page. Now you need to paste your website's sitemap URL here. To get URL of your website's sitemap, write your website's URL here, then put a slash and write sitemap.xml, press enter. This is my website's sitemap index file, so copy this sitemap URL and paste it here. Click on Submit. Fine, sitemap is successfully submitted for processing. Therefore, I have submitted my website's sitemap to Bing successfully. Hope that you enjoy the video. If you have any more queries addressing this video guide on how to submit sitemap to Google and Bing search engine, you can send your queries in these video comments. If you are interested to know how to set up Search Console for a website, you can check the link below this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with FiberCrest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.